Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at some of the craziest moments on the road. From reckless driving and ignoring traffic signs to out-of-control trucks. Each clip in this video serves as a reminder to drive carefully and protect yourself and others. This is a classic case of poor judgment and serious lack of awareness. Whose fault do you think this accident was? Let me know in the comments. This guy must have had a bad day, but at least he has an interesting story to tell. This accident is a sad reminder of the potential dangers of distracted or impaired driving. Fortunately, no one was injured. We have a high-speed chase that ends with a car flying off an overpass and being badly damaged. It is unbelievable that the criminals escaped and ran across the highway safely. Looks like this truck carrying bridge girders missed a few important factors. Someone's probably writing a report tomorrow. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next videos. We'll continue to bring you more fun and informative content. Stay safe.